more time, less money, and less trust.
So what is your, how you see marketing in your perspective? You have spent a lot of time in the industry, right, as an entrepreneur, and you're seeing the, things in a bird eye view. So how you feel this particular point of time, next 2-3 months, how the marketing is going to be the new normal?
The way that I think about the consumer is the intersection of time, money, and trust. How they think about their time, how they think about their money, and how they do think about trust.
Right.
And you don't have to make it very complicated. The way that you do it is, do they have time or not? Do they have money or not? Do they start with trust or not? And if you think about India, we're largely a country which does not have a lot of money.
Okay.
We have a lot more time on our hands, and we do not operate with trust. We operate with mistrust, like we don't trust people easily. And any crisis like this, which we are going through right now, the question to ask is, how does it amplify time, money, and trust, and in what direction? So here's what's happened. Because of the lockdown, people have a lot more time than they used to. They have a lot less money than they used to. And they are definitely not trusting people as much as they used to. So the marketing strategy for any company then needs to be adapted to how can I cater to a time-rich, money-poor, trust-poor audience? How can I build my products or my services or my communication in such a way that it absolutely builds upon someone who has more time, less money, and less trust? So in the future, the way that I see this is very clearly content is going to become immensely important because it rides on time, it doesn't require money, and you can easily trust it or not trust it. That becomes your choice.
Yes.
Anything that you do around content, whether it's long form content, short video content, anything that is building trust is very critical. The second piece is any marketing that is around generating trust is going to be supremely more important than something which is selling the features or the specifications of the product or the service. Because that's what's missing. Trust is missing. So if you can build trust as a brand, then you have supernormal power than anyone else that I do not trust. And then numerous examples of brands are doing it, whether through communication, whether through advertising, whether through their product or service. And my favorite approach in all of this is something that I wrote about, which is the best marketing that happens during a crisis happens in the customer care. Because that is where most companies slip. They don't spend enough attention on the customer care. They don't spend enough attention to their customers and making them feel heard, wanted, desired. And if they do that job well, that is the best form of marketing. Nothing else is required. Nothing else is required. If there's anyone else who says, you know what, you made a purchase, but you can't avail it right now, so we're going to give you a 1-year extension, that is not customer service, it is marketing. And it baffles me how many companies do not think like that. So at least that's my quick 2 cents. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we put up a new video, you're aware of it.